video of him because I know it's shitty out. This is VO1UKZ driving around up in my neighborhood here, and just a fucking shitty situation with the roads here tonight. But you know, I don't think the storm was what it amounted to be, or what people thought that it was going to be.
Wait till you see the snowbanks on the ground.
Yeah, the snowbanks get bad today. Yeah. So we did have a lot of snow, obviously, but I don't think it was what people were thinking it was going to be. Like, fuck, people were bracing for the big one.
No pavement anywhere.
Is Krista okay? Today? Show her the video when it gets over. We do have quite a bit of snowbanks. I guess the plows must have been on top of it a bit.
I think about a few times later, I have it on. See that? They called me. I was actually in class brought once, but I never got
Looks like someone plowed our way to front of the house there too. The plow came along again.
I'll say for anybody.
I was definitely a bit greasy. If you didn't have good studded tires on, you'd be doing a bit of slipping
I
around.
wouldn't even help. Roads are full. Snow on the
Job keeping the youngsters out of them, I guess.
This year seems to be a good year. That's fair to have a Skidoo, you know.
Oh yeah, definitely. Next door neighbors are throwing around on that one earlier today. Yeah, definitely. It'll be deadly for Skidoos now.
Right now, mate.
If you go, the streets will be just like racetracks. There's barely no cars around.
No, wrong. And that's not even plowed yet. There was no snowbanks here yesterday. They were all gone.
Yeah, we did get a fair bit though, didn't we?
Those shots just drifted all around the car. They got a big circle around the car. And the snow in front of the driveway.
That's how they had the shovels in front of the driveway.
I never even had a shovel.
Oh, did you? We got good tires anyway.
Those crawls, those tires start spinning, they're spinning.
Did we got better already, she? Jesus. Bit of snow, yeah. Look at them snowbanks, holy shit. They're like 8 feet tall, 10 feet tall. Wow. Not much snow around here though.
Oh, this is empty. Look, even this up.
Alright, we're out of the car here. Let's just have a little sneak peek around here. I don't say it's probably not even all over and done with yet, but you know, them banks there are pretty big. Oh well, that's it. So much for the storm. 7-3.